Welcome to our deep dive into the Airbus A350, where we uncover features you probably didn't know about this incredible aircraft. A marvel of modern engineering, the Airbus A350 represents a considerable leap forward in air travel. Join me as we explore the technological advancements and design philosophies that make this aircraft truly special. The A350 cuts through the air with remarkable grace, its sleek design a testament to the pursuit of aerodynamic perfection. The wings, a symphony of curves and angles, are not merely aesthetically pleasing, they represent countless hours of meticulous research and development. Notice how the wingtips are subtly upturned. These are called sharklets, and they play a crucial role in reducing drag, that invisible force that resists an aircraft's movement through the air. By mitigating drag, the A350 achieves a remarkable feat. It consumes significantly less fuel compared to its predecessors. This translates into a smaller carbon footprint, a crucial consideration in our environmentally conscious world. The A350's design embodies the future of sustainable aviation, proving that exceptional performance and environmental responsibility can coexist. Stepping inside the A350's cabin is akin to entering a tranquil oasis high above the clouds. Gone is the cramped, claustrophobic feeling often associated with air travel. The A350 welcomes you with a sense of spaciousness, with generous legroom and wider aisles that facilitate smoother passenger flow. But the innovations go far beyond mere dimensions. The air you breathe inside the A350 is remarkably fresh, thanks to an advanced air filtration system that continuously renews the cabin air, removing impurities and allergens. This contributes to a more pleasant and healthier travel experience, particularly for those susceptible to allergies or respiratory sensitivities. And then there's the serenity. The A350 boasts exceptional noise reduction technology, minimizing the roar of the engines and the vibrations that often permeate aircraft cabins. This creates a remarkably quiet environment, allowing for restful sleep or undisturbed enjoyment of in-flight entertainment. The A350's commitment to fuel efficiency extends beyond its aerodynamic design. It represents a paradigm shift in aircraft construction, with lightweight materials taking center stage. Carbon fiber reinforced polymer, a material lighter yet stronger than traditional aluminum alloys, forms a significant portion of the A350's structure. This reduction in weight translates directly into fuel savings, allowing the aircraft to traverse vast distances using less energy. Powering this technological marvel are two of the most advanced jet engines ever created. These engines, marvels of engineering in their own right, are designed to operate with exceptional fuel efficiency. Their high bypass ratios, a measure of an engine's efficiency, contribute to the A350's ability to minimize its environmental impact without compromising on performance. The A350's cockpit is a testament to the advancements in aviation technology. Pilots step into a realm of digital displays and intuitive controls designed to enhance situational awareness and streamline flight operations. Gone are the days of cluttered instrument panels. The A350 embraces a glass cockpit philosophy, with large, high-resolution screens displaying critical flight data in a clear and concise manner. But the A350's technological prowess extends far beyond mere aesthetics. The aircraft is equipped with an array of advanced systems designed to assist pilots in every phase of flight, from takeoff to landing. These systems enhance safety by providing real-time information, predicting potential issues, and even offering corrective actions when necessary. The A350's remarkable fuel efficiency and long-range capabilities have redefined the possibilities of commercial air travel. Airlines can now offer non-stop flights between destinations once considered too distant, connecting continents with unprecedented ease. Imagine flying from London to Sydney without a single layover, or traversing the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean in one seamless journey. This ability to connect distant cities directly has profound implications for international business, cultural exchange, and even family ties. The A350 is not merely an aircraft. It's a catalyst for global interconnectedness, shrinking our world and bringing people closer together. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Airbus A350. We've explored its groundbreaking aerodynamics, its serene and spacious cabin, its remarkable fuel efficiency, its state-of-the-art cockpit, and its ability to connect the world like never before. The A350 is a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our enduring fascination with flight and a beacon of progress in the ever-evolving world of aviation. Stay tuned for more fascinating